Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna take a look at a pretty interesting tool here. This is a hydraulic swag tool, and it's in basically this really helps out when you are working with copper pipes. Alright Brian, tell us a little bit about this tool.
This is a hydraulic swagging tool, and it is what its name implies. This is a hydraulic ram, and these are the fittings, and they screw onto the end. This is the ram, and what it does is you see it's small enough diameter. Like this is 7/8 pipe, so we have a 7/8 fitting, and it fits inside the pipe. And then when you close this, now as you watch,
it expands out.
Yeah, it opens those up, and the ram pulls forward. And what it does is it expands your pipe so that now you can fit another piece of 7/8 in there to continue your copper run for your refrigerant lines or whatever you're trying to accomplish.
Okay.
So the first thing you have to do with this tool is, before you can swag the copper, you have to anneal it. Okay, which is a pretty simple process of basically you want to heat the copper up till it's glowing red, and then let it cool down, and that will allow all the crystal lattice to align itself, and then you can expand it without splitting it. Now if you don't anneal it first and you just go straight to that tool, it's going to split it. There's a couple of steps in the process. One is you anneal the pipe, then you ream it, and then you swag it. But I'll give you a demonstration real quick.
Okay, so annealing it just means that you're softening it up so that it's not so brittle?
Yep, you're just basically allowing the crystal structure of the metal to align to the state that it wants to be in. So you can see it's starting to turn red. That's what we want. Now, if we allow that to cool, that pipe will be annealed.
Okay. Alright, so now the pipe is cooled down and it's ready to be worked on?
Yep. So all you gotta do is take a reaming tool like this, run it around the inside. So you want to deburr the pipe. Insert your ram, close the valve. That's it.
All right.
And like if this was a joint that you're working on,
so just sanded it up, cleaned it off.
You can now make up your connection.
So essentially you've expanded the end of it to fit right over.
Yep.
And now this basically saves you the time of having to find a coupling or...
Yeah, and if you used a coupling, you would have, instead of having one braze joint, you'd have two. Because you'd have, the coupling that slipped over here to connect this pipe, and then, the other end of the coupling on this end where this pipe would slid in. So you'd actually have two braze joints there versus one. So
yeah, that saves a lot of time.
Yeah, it saves time, saves material, and it's a better quality. I mean, the any you're taking the field service component out of the picture. That's just one less possible place for a future refrigerant leak. There you go. Half the time, half the material.
Very nice. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. So, just to recap on that, Brian, go over the tool real quick one more time.
That was 7/8 pipe, so you got the 7/8 die. You anneal the pipe by heating it up red hot, allow the crystalline structure to realign, cool it down, then ream it, get the proper die, swag it. That's it.
Okay.
And you're ready to make up your joint. It's
Pretty nifty tool.
great time saver, and the best thing about it is when you're on a job, you don't need a lot of fittings. You can fabricate the fittings you need on site.
All right. Well, there you have it, guys. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next video.